Naga Manu, Naga Manu, hui. Naga Manu, Naga Manu, hui. Kikwa Naga, Ami Naga Manu was it.
Hi, this is Moko Koza. I'm from Nagaland. I'm a rapper, songwriter. Signed to Infinity Inc. label, which is in Dimapur. Actually, this is my first time to giving an open concert, more like a festival type. So I'm looking forward for a very good time.
Can you also share something about your musical background?
My genre is hip hop, rap, and I do most of my songs in English, local dialect, and local dialect that is in Tinidie and Nagamis. This is actually my second time in Ukhrul, and at this venue, this is my first time, and it's actually very nice, you know, very good vibes, the nature, the mountains and everything, and I'm really looking forward for a very great night. And yep, I also released a new album. The album is titled Naga Manu, and tonight I'll be performing some of my new songs from the album. Here's my big shout out to all the musicians from the Northeast, music lovers, of fans from everywhere. A big shout out to all of you guys.